Talkpal AI review. Is it legit or a scam? Let's get started. So what is Talkpal? Talkpal is an AI-powered language tutor that supports over 57 languages, offering interactive modes such as a role play, phone calls practice, image description, and general chat. It analyzes speech in real time, provides grammar and pronunciation feedback. So let's talk about its pros. It has engaging for conversational practice, like you can talk to the AI like a real person. It also has a wide language coverage and modes. It also has a beginner-friendly interface, which is also progress tracking. Although it has some cons like unreliable grammatical and pronunciation feedback, buggy performance, and the free version is severely limited, it still has some good cons and pros. For intermediate users and learners, if you want to use it, you need to seek conversational fluency and low-pressure spoken practice. Talkpal can be a great fit. It helps build speaking confidence, and memorize dialogue. However, if you need accurate grammar or pronunciation correction, be aware that these features are often inaccurate and unreliable. So in final verdict, Talkpal is a legit platform, it's not a scam, it offers real value for speaking practice and conversational fluency.